Essential health benefits are a mandate of the Affordable Care Act and represent a step forward for the American public, extending healthcare benefits to individuals with gaps in their coverage or no coverage at all. As part of the mandate, insurers will soon be required to integrate dental and vision benefits into policies for dependent children and special needs adults. The Essential Health Benefits mandate translates into significant data integration challenges for specialty benefit administrators. Patient out-of-pocket charges from embedded dental and vision benefits must be merged with health plan annual deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums. To complicate matters further, for the first time, many new dental and vision plans include different coinsurance levels for subscribers and spouses versus their dependents. To meet these new challenges, specialty benefit administrators are forced to become data integration experts. And, unfortunately, most legacy software systems in use today are not capable of adapting to the increased level of complexity required to administer the new multi-tiered dental and vision benefit plans. To successfully manage the implementation of essential health benefits, insurers must look to partners with the resources and expertise to administer the new plan designs and who possess expertise in data integration. We have designed an industry-leading two-fold service offering to address these challenges. Via world-class benefit administration from Scion Dental and next-generation specialty benefit management software from Wonderbox Technologies, insurers can now achieve the seamless data integration of multi-tiered benefit plans. Licensed as a third-party administrator in all 50 states, Scion Dental is a distinguished leader in dental benefit management. With 20 years of experience, we improve process efficiencies, achieve compliance, and dramatically reduce the cost of delivering dental benefits. Scion Dental's sister company, Wonderbox Technologies, is a next-generation software development leader in specialty benefits. And the platform that makes it all possible is the Enterprise system, featuring an integrated relational database that is fully customizable, highly flexible, and quickly adaptable. I encourage you to learn more about our dual offering. Together, Scion Dental and Wonderbox Technologies deliver benefit management solutions ready for the future. For more information, visit our websites at siondental.com or wonderboxtech.com and click on Contact Us. Thank you for your time, and I hope you will tune in for more discussions on opportunities to deliver better health care to more people at a lower cost.